Hey there, I'm Philip, a freelance writer and writing coach. In this video I want to show you something that can completely change your writing career. It's a simple shift, stop writing just to write and start solving problems. Here's the truth, clients don't hire you for perfect grammar or fancy words, they want results. That means more traffic, more leads or more sales. If you can help them reach those goals, you become way more valuable. So what does strategic writing mean? Let's say a client wants a blog post. You can just write it, or you can ask, what is this post supposed to do? Is it supposed to help them get found on Google or get more people to sign up for their email list? That one question changes how you write and helps your client win. The tip number one is to always ask what the client is really trying to do. Sometimes they'll say, we just want a helpful article, but helpful for what? Growing traffic, building trust, getting sales. If you can figure that out, your writing will be more focused and way more useful. Tip 2. Use data to guide what you write and don't guess. Look up keywords, see what people are searching for. Use tools like Suggest or Google Trends. I once wrote a post based on keyword research and it brought in 4,000 visitors in the first month. Not because I'm lucky, because I planned it based on what readers wanted. We have a tip number 3. Be the writer people want to work with. Be reliable, meet your deadlines, and keep communication clear and simple. Clients will remember that and come back to you again and again. Being professional matters just as much as your writing skills. When you start thinking this way, everything changes. You stop chasing low-paying jobs and you start attracting better clients who trust you and pay you well, of course. Even if you're just starting out, this mindset will help you grow fast. To wrap up, smart writers don't just type, they think, ask good questions and focus on results. That's how you build a real writing career. If you want more help, I've got a free ebook and a full online course that walks you through everything step by step. You can find the link in the description below. And if this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel and share it with another writer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.